Hello, and welcome to this presentation for A-Level Biology. My name is Mr. McCardle, and I'm one of the biology teachers at Coldew School. So a brief sort of overview of the course. We follow the AQA biology course, and the course is split between two teachers. This year it's myself and Miss Jackson, and you'll have 4 hours in year 12 and 5 hours in year 13. What the course tends to do is the course builds on knowledge and understanding from GCSE. So if we look at the topics, you can see here the 4 general topics. The first one is biological molecules. This is where, GCSE, you've talked about carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. You'll do these, but in more detail. You'll learn what carbohydrates are made of, how they bind together, how you break them up. And with cells, again, you've learned about the nucleus, the ribosomes, chloroplasts, things like that. You learn about those in more detail, and you learn about all the other things that are in the cells that you won't have done at GCSE. The AS exams, you get 2 exams, paper 1 and paper 2. They're both 1 hour 30 minutes. And they're both equally weighted, 50% each. And it's a similar thing for A2, for year 2. Again, it builds on what you know at GCSE. The first one, energy transfers in and between organisms, things like photosynthesis, respiration are in there. The second unit, the organisms responding to changes. This is where we talk about the nervous system and obviously genetics and gene expression. These are all things you've done at GCSE. Again, you do them, but you do them in much more detail. The difference in the assessment is in year 2, you get 3 papers. So paper 1, you're assessed on all the stuff from year 1, so units 1 to 4. Paper 2, it's all the year 2 stuff, so units 5 to 8. And paper 3, you can be assessed on anything. We need to remember as well that biology is very much a practical subject. And like the other sciences, you do lots and lots of practical work during your two years. The focus is on what we call the required practicals. So your practical work involves studying 12 required practicals, but we're not limited to them. We do other practical work as well. Now you're assessed on 2 things. At the end of year 13, we have to sign off something called your practical endorsement. This means that we are confident that you're a competent practical worker, but also you'll be assessed on practical work in your written exams. No, we're very fortunate in Coldew that we've got all the outdoor space. We've got the ag unit, we've got all the playing fields. We're very close to the river and the wooded area. There's lots of opportunity for doing field work outside of the actual laboratory. But as well, what we like to do is, where we can, take you on other opportunities, things we've done in the past. We've taken students to Holy Island, which is up in the northeast of England, to look at seashore ecology, looking at rocky shores, sandy shores. And I've also taken students to the Centre for Life at Newcastle, where we've done workshops on genetics. The final thing is opportunities for progression, what careers a qualification in A-level biology might have. And you can see there, again, we're not limited to these, but things like medicine, medical care, veterinary medicine, agriculture, pharmacology. There's lots and lots of opportunities, lots and lots of careers that are available to you with an A-level biology. If there's any questions, anything you need to know, feel free to ask me. Okay, thanks very much.